Art is about exploring. It's about giving new meanings to existing objects and finding new ways to express ideas. Lately, I've been shooting more and more in the abstract, and I wanted to present this group of abstracts as a collection. What's interesting about abstract art is that it appeals to the heart, not the mind. Sometimes you don't know why you like something so much because it's not logical, it's heartfelt. My objective is for you to feel the ocean with all your senses, as we do when we're experiencing it in the moment. Smell the salt water in the air. Feel yourself submerge in the tropical water and taste the salt on your lips as you breach the surface. My latest release, titled The Reef, is about the feeling of speeding across tropical water on the way to the lineup and seeing the dozens of colors of blue, the tropical reef, the turquoise water on the shallow sandbars, and the indigo-toned deep water. Feeling the sun on your back, the fresh air swirling around you, and the excitement of what the adventure of the day will bring.